What's up, Patreon subscribers? I hope you're riding today. Actually, whatever. It's not the greatest day outside. I'm loving it. It's warm. That's all I care about. If it's warm, I'm happy. Wet, whatever. It makes it more fun, actually. I mean, I do go around corners, like, on newer bikes. You know, sometimes you don't know the bike yet, and sometimes I take it a little easy around a corner. I hope you guys are out riding. I don't know where you're at. We got Patreon subscribers all over the country, all over the world. I hope you guys are out riding, having a good day. Hope you guys had a good Easter. Easter was, we had a good Easter. My sister has been back for a couple months from Cambodia. She's a missionary in Cambodia. She's my little tiny baby sister. And she is back. That was good to have her for Easter. We had her for Christmas too, but now she's off to her she's off to like Nebraska for a couple months doing some training with a church in Nebraska, so that's pretty cool. Easter's a good holiday, guys. If you didn't see my video on the YouTube channel, he is risen, and then all God's people say he's risen indeed. Man, it's beautiful outside. The tough thing about riding is, one, I don't know where my frog togs are. I misplaced my my riding gear, my frog togs, and Caleb has his. I don't know where mine are. I gotta go find them or buy a new set. But I'm definitely my upper body's fine, but it's my shins. My shins got all wet when I was driving that 650 Kawasaki Vulcan. So I'll be wet for the rest of the day, I guess. That's just a life. That's just a life I chose. So what I'm riding is a 2009 Kawasaki Hondas. It's a Yamaha Tour Deluxe. It's a Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe. It's a sweet bike. It's got the V4 in it. If you wonder what a V4 is, it looks like this. V4. It's got the V4 in it. It's sweet. Everyone loves it. Alright, guys. I'm back at home base. We'll see you guys later. Patreon subscribers.